Hi, I'm Sakshi, and I recently shifted to Hyderabad. So around a year ago, I got my root canal done in one of the tooth in Delhi. But since I did not have time and I had to shift suddenly here, I could not get the crown done for it. And then a tragedy happened a few weeks ago where my my tooth was fractured. So I didn't know that that is possible, right? Because like even the dentist there did not tell me that something like this can happen. Apparently now I got to know that it's a very regular thing, that it does happen if we do not get the crown done. I was thinking once I get some time to go back to Delhi, I'll get it done because I know the people there. Here, I didn't know anyone. So it was difficult for me to trust doctors, especially, because it's such a sensitive issue. So it's difficult to trust people. But then this became like an emergency. So I wanted to know what can I do, and I visited a few places also, but I did not really get good responses because like most of them were either not talking to me about the issues in detail. It was just like, okay, this is a problem, and then they were suggesting things that I felt was not needed, or they were like just outright stating price which was a little too high according to me. So then I was recommended FMS, and I went to FMS Jubilee Hills, and I had an amazing experience there. The first time I visited that place and I met the doctors, I felt like they could build that connection with me where they tried to talk to me about my concern instead of just talking about, okay, these are the solutions, or this is going to be the price. They were more concerned about what happened to me, how am I feeling about it, and then they told me what are the options that I can go for. They told me the pros and cons for all the things that are there. So I made like an informed choice, and I felt like I may lose my tooth because everywhere else the doctors were like, oh, we'll have to either extract it, or we may have to get root canal done for the tooth next to it, which was not needed is what I felt, because like why should I, it's probably fine. So I met there Dr. Ravi, and he told me that I do not need to go through all that, and he actually saved my tooth. He found the perfect solution, and though he did tell me that it's a sensitive concern, and he told me that I have to be careful, but he was able to save it. And then later I met Dr. Sahi, and she is helping me with the crown, and it's really been a wonderful experience going there, because I do not feel like I'm going to some place that I do not know, or someone whom I cannot trust, because they've built that trust, they've worked on that trust, and then they went on with the treatment. So I think it's an amazing place, and I feel like I'm very happy that I got to know about this place and I visited it, because I don't think I would have gotten such an amazing experience anywhere else, considering all the factors, which is my health, my safety, all my concerns were taken care of, and I felt like it was pretty affordable compared to whatever the other places were telling me. So yeah, it was amazing. So thank you so much, guys.